Hey, Cody.
Hey!
Now, but at 5:40 you drive by.
All right.
See you there.
Well, happy hiking.
We hiked up here this morning. We saw a sweet little roadway that we could drive the van on and get a shot from above, filming down on the van from far away, just to experiment, because the drone makes it way too easy to just fly up and get whatever shot you want. Cody's gonna drive right there. Maybe, somewhere over there.
There he is. Dude, it went pretty well.
Sweet.
Thanks for doing it.
Yeah, it was fun.
I feel like most of the shots on this trip are gonna be you getting your shoes on.
If you show me how to work that thing, I can get shots of you putting your shoes on.
All right, a little to your right. Perfect.
We're at a wastewater treatment plant here in DC. And we're just leaving. They had some bees up on top of their roof, bee apiary. At one point, I thought I was under attack by bees because I heard this buzzing and I, was swatting away, and Nate was kind of looking at me like, dude, like, what are you doing? Come on, chill out, we're filming. And I thought there was a bee in my ear, and I realized it was because I had headphones in, and the bees were swarming the mic at the end of the boom poles.
You got a friend?
Yeah, it's stuck in my hair. All right, we're good.
So one of the reasons there's a good match between wastewater treatment plants and beekeeping is that wastewater treatment plants are by definition located next to a source of water. And along the water, usually there's a lot of good flowering plants, so a lot of good foraging.
So today we had two back-to-back shoots. After the apiary, we went to Southeast DC to film a solar installation with Grid Alternatives.
Smells like chicken because I had chicken for lunch.
I don't care about none of that stuff. I'm looking at
You're
the.
fine, don't you have to take it out.
Though it was pretty hot, it was real fun filming on a roof. This was definitely an awesome shoot, and I'm stoked to start putting out some footage that we've been getting.